Thank you for your purchase on Dash Monkey Ride On. This rider comes with attractive looks, sturdy body base, storage space under the seat. This rider on can be easy to assemble by using these simple parts. You will also need a piler, screwdriver. To begin the assembly, take the main body and insert the front fork to complete the main body. In the next step, place steering to front fork complete. Fix steering with the help of nut and bolt. It's turn to place backrest to the main body by just pushing into provided locks. In the final step to put it AAA batteries to be activated users. Your beautiful monkey rider is now ready to ride. Dash Toys. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.